Categories of computer. Computers are classified into many categories depending upon their size, functioning, and processing capabilities. According to how it functions, computers can be classified into three categories. Analog. According to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, computers in which continuously variable physical quantities such as electrical potential, fluid pressure, or mechanical motion are used to represent analogous, analog, analogously, analogously. The quantities in the problem to be solved are called analog computer. Digital computer. The computers deal with data in the form of numbers. They mainly, they mainly operate by counting and performing arithmetic and logical operations on numeric data. Such computers are many problems oriented hybrid computer. Digital computers could not deal with very large numbers, and so a computer with characteristics of both analog and digital was created with which was known as hybrid computers. कंप्यूटर्स वो कंप्यूटर जिनके पास कैरेक्टरिस्टिक डिजिटल कंप्यूटर और एनालॉग कंप्यूटर दोनों की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पाई जाएंगे उन्हें हाइब्रिड कंप्यूटर्स कहते हैं और अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइज कंप्यूटर्स आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू द फॉलोइंग कैटेगरीज साइज़ के अकॉर्डिंग कंप्यूटर्स को हम फॉलोइंग कैटेगरीज में क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं पाम टॉप better known as personal digital assistant PDAs are small, lightweight and tightly integrated computers which usually do not have keyboards but rely on touch screen technology for user input. Laptops and notebooks are portable notebooks computer. They include a battery that provides electrical backup for a period of time. Personal computer is a small in size and is designed for general use by single person. Desktop computer is typically set up in a permanent location and is a PC that is not portable. A desktop is a PC built for high performance and heavy workload. It helps in faster rendering of complex graphic, provides power for computer intensive applications and memory for large tasks. They are more reliable and have less downtime. Microcomputers came to being came into being with the invention of microprocessor. They are not so expensive. The personal computer is a microcomputer. MIDI computer. MIDI computer provide more power than microcomputer in terms of speed and storage capacity. They are also less expensive. Their performance is also less than that of mainframe computer. Mainframe computers can also process data in a very high speed but less than that of supercomputer. Normally they are used in banking, airlines, railways, etc. for their applications. Supercomputer is the fastest type of computer. They are employed for specialized applications that require large amounts of mathematical calculation. A supercomputer channels all its power into executing a few programs at great speed, where whereas a mainframe uses its power to execute many problems at the same time. These computers are used to resolve problems involving quantum mechanical physics, weather forecasting, climate research, molecular modeling, such as computing the structures and properties of chemical compounds, simulation, cryptanalysis, and many others. Applications of computers. Computers are used in almost all walks of life today. In medicine and healthcare, in education and business, in manufacturing and service industries, for science and research, computers are the most important tool used by human beings. इनपुट प्रोसेस आउटपुट ये नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में हम पढ़ेंगे इनपुट प्रोसेस आउटपुट